in Ilima, 20, Binangonan, Rizal. Yung family po kasi is very bonded. Sobrang intact kami. Hindi kami kakain ng dinner as long as hindi kami kumpleto in the family. Ang treatment po namin ng kaming apat po sa family, parang barkada lang. Medyo grade school pa po ako, nagkasakit si mama. So, ganito kalaki yung bukol niya sa ovaries. Nauga yung family namin kasi si mama po lang yung nagpo-provide for the family. Medyo nahirapan po kami sa buhay. Family for me is synonymous to love. Kasi when I think of my family, doon ko talaga nakuha yung unconditional love na hinahanap ko. Na yung family mo, yung tao lang na magbibigay sa'yo ng totoong pagmamahal na walang hinihingi ng kapalit.
Mary Rose Buhanes, 20, from Santo Tomas, Batangas.